Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, AmaZulu 1. I'm joined by Umenier, Wetiski,
Nobani
and Mando.
Nobani
And Mando. And Mando.
3, 2, 1, go. Skala kuphi sicina kuphi okay Sibo mhlawumbe ake sifocus more esayidini lamaZulu ne okay siyeza na kuyikhosi but into eyenza ukuthi le game ibe so amaZulu eze kule game ne intention yokuthi afuna ukudlalela i-draw yeah cause the way bebedlala ngakhona bebedlala mid block beshaya low block but intention yabo bingekho ekuthenini bafuna ukuwina
Sure.
Yabo cause bona nje bezofuna ipoint today njengoba sengibazi ubona ngani nge-mid block kanye nabo low block and then even ama-sub bebewenza I think nge-edit time bebefuna ukufaka ama-sub ayi-2 and then ureferee wagcina ngawa alawanga ngenxa ukuthi ibhola belingaphuma ngenxa yesikhathi so leyo nto bekutshela vele ukuthi noma igame isiphele ukuthi befuna uku-introduce abantu abayi-2 ukuwaste leso sikhathi vele intention yabo vele bibonisile from ekuqaleni yeah Sibo uma sesiza esayidini le Chiefs ne mina akuthi ibhola siyalibuka siyalithanda nang understand ngendlela efanayo nakhona lapha ayikho into wrong because ezabantu sithanda izinto ezingafani si prefer nezinto ezingafani yeah but for mina okay it's fine bayam criticize ne ku social media nakhona indlela aba prefer but for mina I would appreciate to have someone onjengomthetho eteamini yami yeah like ngenxa yespan asishayayo nanokuthi wena Sibo iplayer neplayer kumele understand ukuthi i-strength salo sikuphi nama ama-weaknesses yes akuphi understand njenga today angibonanga ukuthi man of the match kubo bani but umthetho udlalile futhi umthetho amabhola wonke because remember amaZulu njengoba bedlala i-mid block kanye ne-low block mostly ama-team ifedlala i-mid block ne-low block asuke efuna ukuphuma nge-speed like okanye like i-transit to ngani nge-speed but then umuthi check amaZulu okay ibingekho leyo nto le bebedlala mid block bebedlala low block but i-challenge bebenabo bebengenazo speed so somewhere somehow leyo nto yagcina iba pointless because uma bephuma emuva bethi bayasuka emuva immediately mebefika la eswini umthetho benze njani befaka i-pressure yenze njani awini ibhola hence why first 10 minutes to 15 minutes i-Chiefs i-create ama-chances amaningi because amaZulu befike elwini ibhola ngalesikhathi elwini ibhola kube difficult ukuthi aphume because beshoda element yani ye-speed remember if udlala i-low block kanye mid block there should be an element yani ye-speed because if kukuthi wena uzowina ibhola la and then usiyalose la uzoba ne-challenge I think first 5 minutes yeah ngithatha ama-notes nyana man yeah first 5 minutes there was a ball idlalo uModi to umayo to uLilepo 7 minutes lelo bhola belikade lwino bani belikade lwino belwino uModi because of i-high press bebeyishaya amaZulu abane challenge ukuthi senze njani ukuthi aphume ngenxa ukuthi speed besinjani besingekho and then omunye umuntu obeyikey to i-Chiefs today it's uNgcobo like uNgcobo ube ikey kwi-Chiefs ngiyakhumbula last season khona la bengikhala ngayo uNgcobo ukuthi man uNgcobo kade afika kwi-Chiefs ndiwe bedlala ngakhona okanye ndiwe kumele adlale ngakhona kumele ibonise ukuthi usenesikhathi efikile. Yeah, today ubonisile umjidi ukuthi ukhona and ufuna ukudlala. Ubona ngama passes la like basically bekufana nokuthi especially first half bekufana nokuthi sibukele ishow kaNgcobo because uyena umuntu bekhona use connect abobani, connect abomode, connect abolilebe, connect nabomayo. I think towards first half khona nje la suke khona ashaya khona i-direct penetration. I think ukeeper ushaya double save da yeah yakho uNgcobo and then ngoba i-rebound wathi uyaqeda uModi like fortunately for AmaZulu kwaba yikhona. Yeah, but other than that Sibo ukuthi angifuni ukungena kakhulu kwizinto zepolitiki, but then somewhere somehow ngizogcina ngithinta ama factors agcina ehambe phakathi team okanye izinto ezenzakalayo kwi team. Sibo i-Chiefs I think first game yabo idlala neStellenbosch. Ubonile le game ukuthi bimnandi kanjani. Like ibinayo yonke into le game leya. And then badlala I'm not sure, I think badlala nePolokwane City, badlala neRichards Bay. Lawo ma game layo ngakhumbulayo kahle abawawinile and bawawine bebedlala grand. But then once kwaqala inkinga zase changing room okanye inkinga related to i-office, abantu bazoyi-undermine lento, but somewhere somehow ama results akhona azobonisa
affect i-Chiefs.
yes yabo direct le ya coach Nabi. Yeah, because remember Sibo ngalesikhathi engekho inama challenges efamily whatever biyenzeka, i-Chiefs isale yawina ama game. Ngalesikhathi i-Chiefs isale wina ama game, abantu bathini bathi abasamdinga ubani uNabi obani kumele beqhubeke neteam
assistant
ilabantu abakhona njengamanje. Leyo nto le yaseculator kwi social media kudlale maybe 2 games or 3 games kwenzakalani after coach Nabi ebuyile kwenzakalani ngayo
part ways Nabi
wavaya. Okay, asiye ukuthi Chiefs idlala i-draw today mara performance wise first half bebe grand mara second half maningi ama challenges and nginotice something i-technical team ye-Chiefs ama fans ayifake under pressure ngalento ukuthi befuna ukushaya amasapo. Amasapo bawashaya today, amanye bese desperate, amanye bese ukulalela ama fans. Remember even nalento ukuthi coach Nabi avayi abantu baqale lento kakhulu social media bathi abasamdingi obani ama fans yenze njani management
panic
yabalalela. And manje ngiworried ngeperformance yabo, not like per se ukuthi ngiworried but like on behalf of ama fans e-Chiefs. Yeah, kunento engeke because i-Chiefs iqale phezulu but manje sekwenzakalani khona phansi game isikhukhuni lamajita lawa seyangola as much as bewinile kuma penalty and then kuzoba igame ya today. I-frustration iyabuilda Sibo, once abantu baba frustrated i-desperation ibakhona and once kuba ne-desperation then ziningi izinto ezinegative ezenzakalayo eThekwini. Akukho bias Sibo, bekuyilokho nje asiyanga kakhulu encwadini today.
Thank you Mini.
Thank you Sibo.
Class is out.